Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another clean with me and it's kind of over a couple of days, but we're starting in the bedroom. And yes, I am vacuuming my bed because I do have a dog who sleeps in my room and my boyfriend is allergic to dogs, so I do like to get all the hair up that I can, and it gets into the little nooks and crannies and places that you don't typically look. So I do try to have the bed as hair free as possible because he's like, whenever he's like napping or anything, he always complains that his face itches, etc. So I am doing that before I make my bed. And then I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you who have been subscribing. We just hit 80 subscribers, which is huge. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much, and I'm so happy to have you. So if you're a new subscriber of mine, go ahead and leave me a comment down below on where you're from. So are you from like Minnesota? Are you from, Canada? Where do you live essentially? I know you guys love a good bathroom clean, so we're going to be deep cleaning the bathroom once again. I do this about once a week to every 2 weeks. It just depends on how much traffic this bathroom gets, and since I am at home right now, it's been getting quite a bit. So I'm starting off on the vanity and I'm just going to wipe it all down, and then I'm going to go into the mirror and the toilet before scrubbing down the floors as well. And the floors I usually do about once a month.
Made up my mind. It's all that matters, really. As long as you stay crazy, shadows will guide us where we've never been before. Run so I act like no one knows me. Right back in with my eyelids closed. Yeah, my phone.
Now we're in the kitchen. I'm just going to take everything off of the island and start wiping it down. My camera died before I got to this part, so I'm just taking off everything off the island and then moving on into the dishes before I'm wiping down those countertops. And then we're also going to be doing the oven today. We're not going to be doing the complete oven because it was getting late in the day and I needed to make dinner, but I did want to at least do a little bit of the outside and at least the inner window. And hopefully soon you guys will get an oven cleaning, like a proper oven cleaning video from me. That is on my to-do, but I've just been a little bit busy. Also for next week, you guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to have any videos out because I am going to be traveling to Iowa because a family member tragically and suddenly died. So I'll be going to Iowa to handle all of that. But I will keep you guys all updated.
It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginning.
Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a glass cleaner from Branch Basics with a little bit of baking soda. And typically I would do this with like Dawn dish soap or something and I would let it sit. But again, I didn't really have the time, so I just began scrubbing. I also didn't have a sponge because I would also do this with a sponge. But it worked completely fine with the paper towel and I got to show you guys how much gunk came off of this because of the color of the towel.
They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you, not afraid to love not afraid to love. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love. 'Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen.
I love how this turned out. Everything is nice and polished and clean. There's no fingerprints or any like food residue. Oh, It's just so satisfying to look at. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on into the countertops. I'm just gonna take everything off of this and then wipe it down as well. But this is the end of the video, and if you made it this far, go ahead and give this a thumbs up and subscribe. I make content a few times a week of cleaning motivation, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.
I'm not the kind of person who